UPS, Canpar, Canada Post. There's a whole bunch of shipping companies at home. Oh man, is that for me? Maybe is that could be for me? Could be for me. Anyways, whatever. If it's for me, they'll leave me a notification. Afternoon, everybody. It's Rob here from It's a Dyer Thing. Yeah, I'm driving my car because that's all I got left. No, all kidding aside, that's not really funny, but you know, holy smokes, what a year, man. It's called year of bad juju, the whole year. Man, it's so hot here. I love, that's the only thing I really like about cars and stuff like that is you can crank on the AC here when it gets nice and warm, where on bike you're limited as to what you can do. So anyways, wanted to take a minute here just to say thank you guys for I was just checking today actually while I was at work, 500 subscribers. Holy smokes, 500 subscribers. That is like absolutely cool. I had no idea that it would get this big. Might be peanuts to some of you guys out there, but you know what, that's still 500 more than what I had just over a year ago today. Or anyways, that's awesome, guys. Like, the support from you all is absolutely fantastic. That is so cool. I know that I've had some serious supporters out there all the way from the beginning, like Mr. David Hughes. Dude, thank you so much for all your kind comments. Your support out there is just absolutely fantastic, right? So awesome, dude. So just heading out now. It's a little bit after almost 6 o'clock. Going to get the wifey from work, as she's doing overtime here at Yamaha. So that means that's pretty good. We're getting some pretty good business here at Yamaha Motor Canada. Everybody's trying to keep up with the demand. So yeah, bikeless. I'm really bikeless right now, and that really sucks. But thank God that we have such a fantastic company like Yamaha Motor Canada to allow employees to use certain products that we offer to our consumers like yourselves. So that's as of tomorrow, I'll be back out on the 2018 MT-07 due to the fact that we have a little bike meet tomorrow night, Leslie and Lakeshore. You've seen on my Instagram posts and a few of the videos. Nothing special, but we are cranking down to the end of the year, and that's going to allow us to kind of, yeah, at least get out and about for a little bit, and then yeah, I'll be buzzing around for this weekend. So hopefully all goes well with that. Weather forecast, looks a bit of a rain, so whatever. Regardless, just here to say thank you so much, guys, for all the support. I mean, guys, I mean, I wouldn't be where I am today, you know, if it wasn't for you guys. So I really love the comments, and as much as I try to, I think I respond to everybody. So you're all really cool for that. So, you know, again, that's awesome. If you have any suggestions, like I said in all my other videos, man, just write it out. You know, if you have any suggestions, I love to hear from you guys. You know, I'm a one-man show, so I you know, I don't have any guidance. I don't have any family support. Thank you. You know, everybody kind of runs away as soon as I take the camera out. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, comments, whatever, I mean, I'd love to hear it. You know, we're all here for the same thing, for the enjoyment of you know, playing with what we got, and you know, learning a little bit more from each other as well, as much as, you know, I like to learn from you guys too. So yeah, rock on, guys. So in my Nissan Murano, whatever. Anyways, again, guys, take care, be safe out there, be smart. You know, don't get yourselves into any troubles and stuff like that. And yeah, just, you know, enjoy what we got, right? Let's all have and share the same passion. So thanks again for your subscriptions, your comments, your likes, suggestions, dislikes. Doesn't matter. I mean, we'll take it all. You know, like I said, we're all learning from it. So peace out, take care, talk to you guys soon, stay tuned. Yeah, some new products coming very soon. So I don't know much, but I know every fall It's when we have new product launches, right? So we're getting into fall now. So we should be seeing some new toys coming down the road here. Some new changes, some updates, some whatever. Let's see what there is, and hopefully 2019 will start to be a better year. So, and again, for all you guys out there as well that had your mishaps, just get back up there and just keep pushing, right? So keep on keeping on. But other than that, cool. Thank you. Take care. Bye.